Hi, hello, and welcome to this quick drawing slash painting process video. This has actually been in the making for a while now, since around Mother's Day. So I just found it and I decided why not make a video out of this process. So here it is, and I hope you enjoy, and also that you get your own supplies and draw and paint with me. This kind of was an interesting process because I was working off of a concept and I was kind of building it as I went along. A lot of the time I already have an idea in my head of what I want it to actually look like, but this was just a work in progress from the start. Anyway, as I mentioned, the inspiration might have been around Mother's Day or maybe a little bit afterwards. It's based on a tree that bears forth good fruit, and so that's kind of just the idea behind it. And I know that there are a lot of different figures and different representations of that theme, but this is what I ended up going with this time around. So once again, I hope you enjoy. I'm just gonna let this sit here and I'll come back in a few. I'm having trouble deciding what to do with my tree. Should I cut it out and paint it? Should I shade it in black? Should I shade it in purple? Should I... So many should I's later, I finally figured out what I felt like doing. And I didn't even follow through with my original plan again. I was just going with how I felt as I was shading and everything. As is always the case with me, the shading took forever, but eventually this is what I came up with, or what the product came out to be. So I went ahead to the painting part of the process. I wanted to search for some inspiration online to kind of gauge what it is that I can do to add on to my tree. And I was able to find this tree here. So the main aspect of it that I really wanted to take away was that background. the beautiful sunset or sunrise, whichever you would say it is. And I used a video to actually help me. It's by, I think, Alifya lifestyle. I have no idea how to pronounce that. I'm sorry, but it's how to paint water, ocean painting, water painting for beginners, and that helped me so much. I didn't follow it step by step because it's just a habit of mine, but that was helpful for the base, and I was able to improvise, and eventually this was the product. I hope you were able to enjoy this super short and sweet draw and paint with me, and I hope that you're able to create something of your own. Until next time, bye.